Hey y'all, it's your Betty, and I know that it has been forever since I've uploaded on this channel. I actually recorded like 4 or 5 videos and then didn't upload them because I didn't like them. They weren't what I wanted, and then I ended up, taking a break from YouTube. Not intentionally like saying, okay, I'm about to take a break, but then life happened. I'm a senior now. For those of you who don't know me or don't follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, all of that information is in the description box. But yeah, I am a university student. I go to Temple University in Philadelphia. I'm a senior. I'm an engineering major. So I've been caught up just being a senior, y'all. It's real. It's definitely real. And then I just took a break, and I would not say I've been neglecting my hair, because if y'all don't know, if you're new here, in my past videos I have talked about how I grow my hair using the low maintenance method, which simply means leave your hair alone. It's actually really simple, like just leave it alone. So that kind of works for me being busy. I don't have to maintain my hair as much, but I'm actually about to give it a little break because I want to wash my hair, but before I can wash my hair or do anything with it, I actually need to take it out and then give it a kind of break. No, the break is if I'm going to, like, before I go and cornrow it back, because when I go to cornrow it back, it messes with my scalp. So when I say it messes with my scalp is still tight from just being in braids for all the months and so forth, and it hurts. However, like if I go and wash it now and put it in baked plats, it's not as bad. But if I try to go and cornrow it, it's just no, like too much pressure on my scalp. It's just no. So I'm actually about to go ahead and take down these cornrows that I have in right now, and let me just say, I've had these in for a while, so don't look for any parts or anything like that. And we can do whatever you like. So this is what my hair looks like, as y'all can see. So it's like curl up right now. We're gonna do a full length check. I can assure you it is definitely longer than this, like how it seems. I'm gonna go ahead and take this piece here out, and it is very crucial when you're taking down cornrows. If you ever cornrow your hair for a long period of time, it is very crucial that you take your time, because you will see, and disclaimer, you definitely will have a lot of breakage, a lot of like old hair, because you remember your hair falls out every day. Like you have strands that fall out every day, so it's gonna be a lot of that because the hair wasn't receiving any attention. So yeah, you have to really take your time, because it's easy to knot your hair and burst the ends. So like right now I'm really taking my time and taking out the end, because it's like tempting me. It can be tempting and frustrating and make you feel as though, what, let's just pull the end, like it is what it is. No, let's not do that. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my time and take this piece out, and then I have, as y'all can see, I have no parts, none whatsoever. Out here struggling, but we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cornrows, which is actually my magic number when I'm putting my hair in cornrows to leave it alone. If you guys can hear any like cars passing, I actually moved from my old apartment, which I have to update my vlog channel, y'all. I have to update it, let y'all know what's going on if you follow me over there too. But that would be the reason. But y'all should not hear it, or y'all should not hear it loud. So yeah, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this down. Good thing I got my nails. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like. Boom, boom, boom. And the front. So let's get a nice thumbnail photo. Okay, hopefully we got that. And before I continue, I actually stopped by the hair store and bought some stuff. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. This was just a day and night cap. I don't know where the ones that I own go, but they disappear. Y'all look at, what did I tell y'all? See how it looked when it was all like plait together going back? Look at it now. Just look at it now. Oh my gosh, my hair has grown so much. This is the longest my hair has ever been. Anyways, big T comb. I have a green one somewhere. Yeah. I probably own all these things. I definitely own this. Like, I have like 4 bottles. You just go in the store and you get, you know, carried away. I definitely have a big jug of this as well. But what happened was I had moved. So I was just like, by the time I find these things, I was going to do this a long time ago. Not a long time ago, like before I unpacked. So by the time I would have found them, I mean, I can use all these things still. And then I went and got this. I cut these to tie around to make the high puff. So yeah, those are what I got. And I have a pick. I know that before I went to the hair store, I had a pick. I saw a pick. Like, I knew where one was. So, look at my hair, y'all. I knew where the pick was, so I didn't go ahead and get any because I'm famous for buying picks as well. But I am so excited. I have not seen my hair in, but I have not like been checked in forever, and I am just so excited. So I started taking out the plait with a rat tail comb. That made it a lot easier. But then at some parts, using my fingers was easier. And then I alternated in between. It all depended on, you know, what part of the plait I was at. Because the thicker parts is easier to take apart with my finger. Now, it may look as though I am being rough in this video because it's sped up. However, I am really not. I'm being very gentle. And as you guys can see, I'm not using any water. I would definitely recommend using a spray bottle with your favorite leave-in conditioner. I use Cantu leave-in. You mix the conditioner in the water and you shake it up and spray it on especially the edges, because most of you, I'm sure, or a lot of you use edge control. I do not, because I do not like too many things on my edges or playing with my edges. I don't like sticking down wigs. I don't like any of that because my edges are important, y'all, okay? My edges are important. So if you do decide, you know, to leave in cornrows this long, then I definitely would recommend that you start by spraying your plaits and then you take them out. I did not want my hair to shrink up, so I did not do that. And that is why I'm being extra careful. And my hair looks dry. It's not as dry as it looks, honestly, but I did not put product in it for a while because I knew that I was going to take it out. Not for that long, though, for like 3 days. Because I knew that I was going to be taking it out on this day. And I wanted it to be, you know, like not saturated with product and so forth. So I went ahead and began another plait. And as you guys can see, pretty quick. You just push the rat tail comb in. And try to push it in the last, I don't know what to call it, but the last intertwine, as opposed to going higher up, because then you will tangle your hair and you want to follow all the way through to the end. So you want to like push the rat tail comb between the space and then pull it out all the way to the end, or else you can create knots at the end of each plait. And trust me, you do not want that, especially with hair that is this fragile because it's been in cornrows for so long. Y'all, let me tell you something. Y'all see my facial expression. My scalp is so tender, okay? It is beyond me. And that, in addition to just so many other things, are the reason why I'm happy that the low maintenance method is actually a thing and it works. It actually, so I don't feel bad, you know, so I'm actually happy that my hair is growing. I don't feel bad when I don't, you know, when I don't have my hand in my hair every day or every week, y'all, because my scalp is beyond tender, okay? When I say beyond tender, I mean beyond. Like this plait, it wasn't so bad with these two cornrows, but these ones, this one here, reminded me why I do not. And I don't like that because then I end up messing with the ends, because then I'm more concerned about getting the root. It's like, just get this plait out, get this plait out, get this plait out. I don't follow through, because it's very important to follow through to the end of the hair, so that when you go back and clear out, you're not creating knots. So finger detangling is also, you know, very, very important in this process. And for those of you who use edge control, I don't even stick down my wigs like I have said before. Well, I said it on Snapchat. I don't know if I've ever said it on YouTube, but I don't stick down my edges because I do not want any of the products really messing with my edges. So when I said don't stick down my edges, I meant like I don't really stick them down on a good day, but I don't stick on the wig on my edges and all of that, because I just like I have no struggle edges. My edges are good. I was born with them like this. They are good, and yeah. Oh, and I had to say, I'm having a breakout, y'all. So just forgive me for all that. It's crazy because I haven't worn makeup in 2 months. Oh, there's a huge knot under here. I want to show it to y'all. I can feel it. That knot right there. That is dirt, dead hair. I hope y'all can see, but yeah, that is dirt, dead hair, and I don't even know what else. So usually I would just go ahead and spray water on it and kind of dissolve. If you watch my past videos, I used leave-in conditioner in water and then like let it sit for maybe like a minute and then just like kind of dissolve the dirt. I have not used any liquid this time. I'm just taking my time and being very gentle. I haven't used any liquid simply because I do not want to I don't want my hair damp as yet. I don't want it to I mean, it's already shrinking up as y'all can see, but I don't want it to, you know, go full shrink as yet, so I'm not applying any water, which means that I have to take my time, really take my time, or else, like, it is so easy to bust your hair. And then, like I said before, it's easy for some people who experience breakage to feel as though it was something they did, but it's really dead hair. Not some of y'all really be just frustrated or whatever and you know, break your hair, but yeah, I'm referring to, you know, when you leave your hair in cornrows for a long time. So like what's gonna come off is gonna be hair that's dead. Like I can do nothing to hold on to it because it's already, you know, out from the root. And it's gonna be a big piece, I can tell. Yeah, see? So this was like already gone. I could have done nothing for this, but it is a good bit of hair. But no worries, I don't stress it. As y'all can see, I have thick hair. I'm gonna say it again, even though I just said it. You're gonna see me pulling a lot of hair out, and you're gonna realize I'm not gonna have any bald spots. I'm not gonna have any my hair is not gonna thin out or anything. I do have thick hair, not overly thick, but thick enough. And you're still gonna see me with hair even after I'm finished. So on to the next plait. We got 2 more after this one. I should probably plait these in. Yeah, clearing this out is gonna take time, y'all, because I can feel how I didn't follow through with the second plait, like all the way down to the end. I can feel it. So I can feel like potential knots. Like if I don't take my time, I can feel the potential knots I'll have. So I don't want to plait it all the way down to the end because like I said before, the ends are already semi-struggling at the moment. So I should have had a pin. I don't have a pin right now. But I'll just go ahead and I don't even know what I'm trying to attempt to. Nothing. Apparently it was nothing. Let's just try and take out this one. Cause you know my love is real. And it's only for you. Hey. I'm falling in love again. So true. So true, I'm falling in love again. Sitting in the dark, wondering where to start. Where did I go wrong? My feelings was just too strong. I really do love you. I wanna be with you. Things just ain't the same. I can't find no one to blame. Because sometimes we fuss and fight. And I know things ain't always right. So usually I would detangle as I go, but I had to go out, y'all, and I honestly just wanted those cornrows out. So I just took them out and we worried about detangling later. Be sure to check out the next video. That's actually going to be when I do detangle my hair. So I was just happy, you know, to feel my scalp so free, was shaking like a wet dog. And then I went to the go-to style, which is cut a headband and go ahead and tie it tight on your forehead and then slide it up and put your hair in a puff. I don't know what you guys call it, but yeah, an updo. And I slid it up. To be honest, I failed at this like 4 times simply because like the band would either pull away or because it's elastic or some other drama. And then I finally was like, come on, Tay, not because you haven't done it in a few months means, you know, this has to be like this. So I went ahead and just kind of played with it because remember, my hair was not in any shape. Like it wasn't a twist out, it wasn't any of that. So it was, I already had signed up, you know, for a messy puff kind of thing. I don't know, a tangled puff. And I kind of tried my best to go ahead and fluff it out. I did put Eco Styler gel around the edges and so forth before I stood up the headband, by the way. But I didn't put too much, and that was just, you know, to help it to glide and so forth. And I just continued to puff it out until I was satisfied with the tangled puff look, and this video is over. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure to hit the subscribe button.